Charlie Show.
30 now, once again standing between generators, so I'm sure this sounds excellent. But 5:30 check-in, and Velocidrone is kind of starting to stretch their lead a little bit over Heart of America. They really seem to find some rhythm down there. I went and stood in their pits earlier, and it's a very calm place. Like, they're not super excited about any of the things that are happening. So I think that this is going to be a very long day. We still got 4 or 5 hours left to go. I think 4 or 5.
Past the 8-hour mark of this, just under 4 hours left to go. Velocidrone still leading. HOA, Heart of America rather, is still in that second spot. And Team Waco is still in the third spot. But Velocidrone, we're going to go down here because you got to see how cool, calm, and collected these guys are while they're decimating the field with their super picks. Like, there's no loud talking, they're just chilling. See what I mean? They're all very cool, calm, and collected. Nobody's yelling at anybody. We got 3 guys working the pit, 2 guys in the pits and 3 pilots. It's just this beautiful symphony of fast laps. They got all their guys sub 22s, 23s, no problem now. So they've just been chipping away and kind of gapping. They were at one point 12 laps down, and at another point they were 6 or 7 laps up on Heart of America. So that's a huge shift. Real impressive. The Velocidrone guys, known for their simu-baiting prowess, but showing that a lot of it pays off. It applies to the real world.
It really does take a while to happen on this one. Don't mess with Texas.
Sneak up in the middle, check out what Team Black Sheep is up to.
I went and hung out with the Team Black Sheep guys on the first night, and it was a really good time. We went out and had Brazilian barbecue. I've never done that before.
2 quads on one channel. It looks like they have a quad stuck in a gate that is leading on Don't Mess with Texas. But it's a Don't Mess with Texas quad leading on Don't Mess with Texas. Like allegedly, it could be someone else who did channel. Hold on, I'm gonna pop over and see what's going on. Yeah, it could be a Sabacura.
Side of the track, right next to this road. But you see the track is huge, dude. It's a whole football pitch. Football field.
Stop. I know. They got generators for each of the teams almost. Some are splitting the generator. And they got a case of waters down there. Quad Doc, Kevin Turner, who is Heads Up's dad, bought everybody pizza. So they had like 50 pizzas delivered. That was awesome.
Don't Mess with Texas.
Looks like there's a caution. Somebody called a caution.
Mamba, you're done.
So that's cool.
TBS, done.
Perfect timing.
People can't remember where they crashed. Some of them mark it, some of them forget to mark it. So they're looking at an old dot, or they didn't erase the last crashes. So there's all these copters laying around. There's one, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a battery. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's just a crazy amount of copters. And you see this one collected a pair of them. There's one over there.
While the other pilot was trying to fly over top of it. It's like, can you see which one? Well, of course, the overlays are covering it.
I'm gonna unplug it. I feel like unplugging them should be the first thing that anybody does.
Which is a Don't Mess with Texas pilot.
There's just some pieces.
Yeah.
Box? Box. Mamba, this is a Mamba copter. It's got their name on it. See how smart that is? Everybody should put their freaking name on it.
They did call that caution. They
Look, this one's got a name on it. I know where to take it.
I guess,
I got a Mamba copter.
That would be what they're taking. It
I got a Mamba copter. It says Mamba somewhere on it, on the battery.
He was joking.
Both FPV asking in the chat, who's messing with Texas? Don't mess
there's
with
one.
Texas.
I'll go see if that's recognizable. I always find it very strange that there's just one rando copter just chilling in the middle. That's Evans. I think that's Evans, or maybe this is Amari's. This is Amari's. That's Amari's copter. I recognize it. It's not yours, right?
No.
Try to give you as much credit as you deserve, which is fine. 25 FPV drone.
Amari! Amari! Watch yourself! Here! Thank you! I like that they just get left out there. I'm gonna go grab it and find out who owns it. You missing another one? All right. It's not good. You should know.
How you doing? Pretty good. What are we looking for? Sure, if I'm
We saw on the live stream. It would have required you to pretty much we were doing really, like, I mean, we're seeing maybe 50%.
This might be Amari's also.
suck a little dick to
It
say
would
something.
go to the next.
Is this yours?
That's Mondo. Mondo.
Okay, thank you. He knew whose it was. How do they recognize each other's copters? It's very strange.
Remarkable. I've seen it done. I think I saw Vanover do it. That's Vanover did some incredible memorized. Oh, I'm flying one day to maybe look at drone racing differently. If that's happening today at Don't Mess with Texas, is it Vanover?
Mondo!
Would it be? Vanover's registered for that team. I just realized.
Somebody told me it was yours. I don't know.
I'd love to know who was just flying that
I
quad.
remember losing it.
3 minutes and 2 minutes to go. NorCap PV admitting in the chat, I will mess with any state I please, if I so please.
That's great. He didn't remember losing it. That's Chris Thomas.
All right, so I got the game that we could play.
What's
Right?
that?
So the idea is one person is the imposter.
We're going
All right.
to start this one.
But instead,
Don't Mess with
you just
Texas.
see how many
Exactly.
quads you can
Not
steal
behind
before
the
people
rival.
realize you're
The
taking all their
quad
quads.
Bro, it'd be,
Name
that sounds like a terrible idea, but a lot of fun.
Don't Mess with Texas.
Oh, here, this is cool. This is the battery graveyard. There's only 5 here, but there's several battery graveyards throughout the facility. So they said 60 seconds from the start. That doesn't mean it's actually 60 seconds from the start. Usually it's longer.
25 seconds.
Just under 4 hours remaining. Restart number 10 or 12 or 11. I don't know. But
Go.
they're going to come out of the pits. You can't see them. And they're going to go around the spiral at the back and then move through the center, middle, and then there's a big long switchback along the back, and then they get into another gate section, kind of zigzag, skip a couple, go around, and then there's a center thing in the middle that's awesome. I don't know what to call it, but it's awesome. Then they do a loop, and then so this will be the first lap. This is the lead group right here. These, you can see it, the light blue props and the orange props that are right behind them. Both of them still together. They're coming through that backside. You can't see them. I could barely see them. They're lapping people already. So this time they're going to come by us and go right into the pits. That was 2. This is 3. Is it one more after this? No, it's one more after this. So this is 2. Now the order is all changed. I don't know what's going on because I think that one went 4. I don't know. Look at this dude's walking along the back of the truck.
Mind-numbing.
Jordan is giving us his quick thoughts on his task so far.
12 hours of flight time is an incredibly long time.
Right.
So,
It is now
goal of those incidents to be reported.
7 o'clock.
So we've been here 12 hours.
So we've been here 12 hours doing this.
And we
but
still
we
have 3 hours of racing. to do.
Of flight time left.
Racing, that's what I said.
Right.
Don't Mess with
So-
Texas and quad rivals.
We're gonna be here for probably 5 more hours. Because in my mind, it's
Also,
like
TBS
taking it,
Loco,
timing it,
American Velocitron, of course.
half.
My guess when we got here was 10:30. We're leaving. At best.
I think we're like midnight.
A little bit of a rough run.
I hope you're wrong.
I could use a beer.
Quad rivals.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Jeff's been running me like a slut.
They called that car longer than they used to. What do we call of flags and gates out there, plus all of the
There's
pit
10.
banners.
So hot right now.
I got a timer going on in the background.
Hey, Sky.
The 5 minutes have expired.
I think this is the best weather we've ever had at a drone race.
Yeah.
Ever.
It's been super fantastic, honestly.
Look at all these people so proud of their.
It's like t-shirt or sweatshirt weather. It's still, but a nice little breeze to keep people cool.
It's like the best of all the world. Yeah? It's Amari's.
No, that is not one of us. That's not us.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
America here.
First caution coming in.
27
Hey,
minutes till the
this is
goes
Team
in
White
race.
Goats. It's got
Those 2 more
pink.
cautions to call.
Don't Mess with Texas, still with 2 more to go. Wolfpack with 2 more to go. Mamba, still with 2 more to go.
I'm
White Goat with
I'm going to
3
put this
go.
out here so you guys don't lose count.
A caution today. America.
There's another one.
rivalry.
There's one. Whose is that?
All but 1 more caution to go. We've got 10 cautions called by the teams. 4 from the officials. Last one from a down flag. And
Found it. You're welcome.
breaks so far.
That's Team White Goat. Pink tape. Right there and then. It's quadcopter recovery. This is a team called Caution. They maybe ran out of copters or something. The time is now, I don't know, what time is it? 7:45? 7:45. There's still 2 hours of racing left to go. How much time is left in the race, Tim?
A little over 2 hours,
A little over 2 hours is what our guess is. Hey, look. Someone's flying these Azure props. That's awesome. Look at that. That was the quickest one yet. This guy's swamping over here. If you can see him, he's right there. He's looking for his copter in the swamp.
Probably looking for the poor AK drones. I'm looking for a motor because you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, ask and you shall receive.
He found the quad too.
You know
what else you need?
Chris Thomas likes to deliver. Hey, Chris, I'd like a stack of $100 bills. Oh, it's almost. All right, so we got one guy way out here hoping he can find his mud bog. Any signs of life? You checked out there?
All the way down there, but
Sometimes they're sitting in the grass and you can't see them. Ooh, see how nasty this stuff is? Dudes had to walk in this earlier because there was copters in it. Nothing.
I bet it's deep in the swamp.
Yeah. That'd be on. It could be a goner.
Doesn't know how to swim.
And it's been out there for a minute, so there's not going to be like bubbles.
No, that's good.
There it is.
Yay, now I gotta figure out how to get across.
That's it. There's a cross right down there.
Okay.
All right, way to go, team. We found it. We found it. Sun setting, lights are coming on. And this caution's about wrapped up. I found some copters. It's freaking awesome. And walk down the pit lane as these guys get ready because it's about to start. I'm probably going to hit that copter.
Is it a 2.5-hour shift?
That's me, Will.
No, they started a while ago.
Oh wow, it's even longer.
That's cool. Yeah. Great. Even bigger shout out to those judges than I thought.
You guys got the most lined up of all the teams. I checked. Oh, disco!
I'm gonna try and get us a few more.
They got disco lights.
Disco with
That's pro. That's pro.
Hello to Zotac again. Once again, been with us from dawn until dusk.
By the way, your volunteer team is star-studded lineup.
The last drone race that we went to, you were doing tricks, and you've upped your trick game. You remember at Nationals when you were balancing things on your nose?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been doing a great job of getting logging lots.
Dude. For real?
Start from the pits.
Yep.
That ought to be good.
I think it's section 15. I was right, right? Yeah, this is section 15.
Nighttime. Now you can see even
still
less.
low. 8 p.m. local, so we're now looking at 10:25 for a checkers here. Dawn till dusk, 12 hours of mayhem.
Been only a
I'm gonna have to
couple
edit all
minor
those out.
incidences with